Oh my gosh.
What's up, BB Gang? It's your girl.
See, exactly. You see? Okay, good. It's your boy Javon. It's your girl Shavon, guys. And as y'all can see by the title of this video, we are going to be recording for our anniversary.
Yay!
This is our 2-year anniversary. We have been officially together for 2 years, guys. 2 years. And it has been a roller coaster with this guy because he's a headache. He's a pain. He's a pain in the ass.
No, I'm not. I've been chilling. What you talking about?
He be chilling.
I've been chilling. Don't lie to these people. Yeah, it's been a long journey so far. This is not the end of the road. You know what I'm saying? It's not. We got a long
300 years. We're gonna be together 300 years, y'all.
until what you said.
We're gonna be immortal.
What you said. What you said.
I mean, I love him. I wouldn't trade him for nobody. I'm done. This is it. I'm not going like this. This is just it. This is it. So.
Yeah, this is a part-time job for me. You know what I'm saying?
Boy. So yeah, guys, we are we're going to be taking you all along our day. What we're going to do. These are my nails, guys. I posted a picture on Instagram. Focus. I posted a picture on Instagram, I believe. So go look at my Instagram if y'all want to see a clear view of my nails. I did my own hair. I bought this wig from look, babe, really? Okay. You got it? You got it?
Ooh, them edges though.
Shut up.
Ooh.
Yeah, I'm not good with like baby hairs or whatever, but it's alright. It looks decent. So yeah, guys, that's about it.
Yeah. So yeah, once again, man, happy anniversary to us. Happy 2 years anniversary to us, man. Y'all guys comment down below, man. Say happy anniversary to us. I didn't say that right, but I said it fast.
He said it fast.
I said it
Comment in the
fast.
comment section below. Happy anniversary, BB Gang.
Yeah, and stay tuned, man. We finna do a little thing, nothing major.
Nothing major.
But you done talking?
I'm done.
So before we go anywhere, guys, before we eat or do anything, I gotta show you something first.
Okay.
We gotta show you something. You guys, we gotta show her something. But before we do that, I want you to come out of the room. I mean, you guys go stay in the room. You gotta come out of the room. You gotta go hide in the closet somewhere. Hide somewhere. I don't care where you hide. Hide somewhere. Put your headphones on so you can't hear what I'm doing.
Really?
Yes, really. Yeah, really. I mean that. You gotta go.
I'm going for a room there.
Yeah, go talk to mama. No, you can't go in the front room because... No, you can't go in the front room. Go in the closet.
I gotta go in the closet?
Yeah, go in the closet. Lock yourself in the closet. I'll try and hurry up.
Man, I can't even fit the goddamn closet.
Yeah, go in the closet. Go in the closet. Go in the closet. Where your headphones at?
It's over there.
Go get your headphones. Pull your headphones up.
Y'all see how dramatic he is?
Yeah,
I don't even know where they at. They over there. Can you get my phone?
Where is that?
On the charger.
Where's charger?
Over there.
Oh, where do you want to go?
Huh? I'm gonna go downstairs.
No, you can't go downstairs yet.
God damn, I'm gonna go in the closet then.
Yeah,
Shit.
go in the closet. Put your headphones on.
You may not take too long because I'm get claustrophobic, even though I'm not claustrophobic.
It's hot in here too.
It is, so hurry up.
So
Yeah, I cannot fit in here.
alright guys. I'll be back. When I turn this camera back on, you gonna see what I got.
Do not turn your light off.
Alright. Alright, BB Gang, bros and sisters, and friends and family. You know what I'm saying? So Shada doesn't know that I got a little surprise for her, you know what I'm saying? I've been going on the road. Guys, I have to lie to her so she won't know what I'm doing at all. So, as you guys see, I locked her in the closet. Whatever I got in the car, I'm gonna bring it upstairs. The camera, surprise her. You know what I'm saying? I love you, babe. Yes, sir. Let's go. Alright, guys, I'm back in the room. As you guys can see, it's hot as hell. But look what we got right here. It's all tied up, right? I'm finna untie it right now. And then we got a few stuff right here, you know what I'm saying? Little flowy. Few stuff in there. Shoes right there. You know what I'm saying? We're doing everything. And I wish I got her that, but that's hers. She already got that, but alright. This is a little light work, you know what I'm saying? I'm finna set it up where I want it and turn the camera back on, you know what I'm saying? So guys, your boy's done, and guys, it is freaking hot. The heater was on, I turned the heater off, but let me show you what I got right here so far. Boom. I'm not gonna show you what's right there. As you guys can see, it's a box. I'm not gonna show you when she come in. You guys get to see it. Should I show you? Whatever. What do you guys think about this? W or L? Let me know in the comment section. And then, whoo, we got these over here, these bad boys. That's a 2YRS, 2 years and happy anniversary. Oh, let me change this light real quick. Guys, I does this, man. This is what I do, bro. This what I do. What do y'all think? Should I go blue? Can y'all see that? 2 years. Oh, that blue look dope. This look dope. Oh, this blue look dope. Let's go. Yep, that's a W. That's a W. This blue look dope. Oh, this blue look dope, guys. Oh my god. 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 Hey, boy. Yes, sir. Alright. We're finna go. Alright. We're finna go get it right now. I don't know if I should set the camera, but I should hold the camera. Let's see. You ready? Come on.
Do I gotta keep my headphones on?
Can I kiss?
They come in there for 3 hours.
Can I get a kiss? Let's go. My poor baby.
You know, he kept me in there for 3 hours, man. I was just getting to my favorite song.
Happy 2-year anniversary. Let's go.
Okay.
You ready to go in there?
Yes.
Wait. Come on. Let's go, guys.
It better not be no snake.
Man, you always time to bring you a snake. Come on, child.
Oh, man, this is so cute. Oh, this is so cute, babe. You is so romantic. Oh my gosh. Babe, you gonna make me cry. Oh, this is cute. You just did this?
When?
Today.
Maybe.
Babe, look at the balloon. Look at the balloon.
They won't stay. This is supposed to be a Y. It won't turn the other way, but you get the drift. This is a 2. Turn like that.
Oh my god.
Then you got the lights.
This is perfect. Babe, this is so cute. Oh, give me a kiss, babe. Give me a kiss. Oh my gosh. Oh, you got me a card.
I ain't had the time to write.
That's okay.
I was rushing.
You can write in it later. I'm trying to read what this word say. Hold on. Oh, okay. Never mind.
You get it?
Yeah. Life is kind of things to take care of. And so you made time to show. Oh, babe. This is so cute. I love it. Clear up the waterworks. Oh, baby, this is so cute. I love roses. Oh my gosh. What's in the bag, baby?
What's in the bag?
Yeah, please. Oh my god. You got all of them that I wanted.
I never got all of them. I forgot which one you wanted.
Oh my gosh, babe. These are literally all of them. Oh my gosh.
Is all of them?
Yes.
She want to cry. You can hear it for you. Yeah.
This is so cute. I love this.
Last one, not least.
Babe, you got me some shoes. Oh my god. Babe, these are cute.
It's a W.
Oh my gosh. Babe, these are sexy. Oh my gosh. Babe, this is a little bit. Oh no, it's an 8.5.
We ain't gonna talk about the price right there. I mean, not the price, the size.
No, I mean, yeah, yeah, we're not gonna talk about it. I'm 6'6". Babe, these are so cute.
I hope they fit. They should fit.
Oh.
You gonna try them on or you try them on camera?
I'm gonna try them on camera.
Okay. She gonna try them on camera.
On camera. Babe, you gotta fix my shoestring, see.
What you guys think, a W or L?
This is way more than a W. Oh my God. I'm keeping those balloons until they...
They don't last that long though, 8 hours I think.
Oh, they told you that?
I think so.
Well, I'm gonna keep them. You just got these?
No, I ain't gonna tell you when they got them. Don't worry about it.
Yeah, they look like they gonna fit. I think I should have undid the shoestring a little bit.
Oh.
Shut up, leave me alone. Leave me alone. Oh my gosh, babe. They fit.
It fit?
Yeah.
Oh, it fit, yes. Yes. Guys, this was one of my main concerns, if these gonna fit.
I really love this card though. Even though you didn't get the writing thing in it out of
Nah, cause I was trying to hurry up and come back. I was like, man, I gotta turn it right now.
the card itself is just beautiful. And you
This
Yo, he
shoe's
got the
fire, bro.
candy.
This shoe's fire.
I love
These shoes are fire, bro.
everything. Happy anniversary, boo.
Happy anniversary, boo.
It was this one item that I wanted to get. If I would have ordered it online, it would not have came on time. So we gotta go pick it up.
You ordered already?
No.
Oh, what did I say?
Gotta go get it.
Well,
Guys, if y'all wanna see what I was gonna get him, keep watching this vlog.
stay tuned. So, guys, let me know in the comments, man, what you guys think of W or L, man. Let me know in the comment section.
WXYZ, LMNOP, all that. Okay, BB gang, let me slide back because these people looking at me. All right, y'all, so Javon is in the gas station. Like, he's in the store right now. He's getting some gas right now. And we are actually on our way to his surprise. So guys, this is an item that he's been wanting for a while, and an item that I've been wanting to get him for a while. Yeah, I had already got him some items, but this one particular item is the one item that I've been saving for. Some people might think it's expensive or whatever, but like I said again, I've been saving for it. So it's not just something that I'm just randomly, you know, out of the blue taking, you know, buying today. I've been saving for it. So yeah, guys, I'm gonna blindfold him with my shirt. I'm gonna tie this around his head. From the gas station, I'm gonna tie him up, and I'm going to drive us there. He is asking me so many questions. What highway are we getting on? Are we getting on the highway? Are you driving this direction or are you driving this direction? I'm not telling him. So yeah, guys, he's coming out the store right now. Yeah, I'm gonna show y'all where we going. I'll show y'all. All right, guys, I just made it to my destination. Babe is sleeping. Babe, nigga, is you dead? I'm here, but you can't look. So what I'm gonna do is, so I know that he doesn't take this blindfold off. Don't take it off. I'm going to FaceTime you. So guys, I'm about to go in here right now. I'm gonna turn the camera back on when I'm inside of the place I'm going. I have him on FaceTime right now. Trying to see how I'm gonna prop the phone up. Oh, it's so dark. She's looking at me. Okay, guys, I just left out of Best Buy. I didn't show y'all before it, but babe is still blindfolded. So the item that I wanted to get him, they unfortunately did not have it in stock, but I did order it. So I am back at the car. Look at him. He's such a good boy. Babe. You hungry, boo-boo? Okay, babe, so good and bad news. The good news is I got your item. The bad news is I don't have your item. All right, so guys, I'm about to give him his gift right now. Let me hang up this phone.
Wait, what? You said bad news? It made no sense.
Exactly. All right, so guys, I'm finna give him his item. I'm about to let him unblindfold himself. So babe, go ahead.
You just say you don't got nothing, so what for?
Babe, unblindfold yourself. Babe, come on.
Is it sun outside? Because I can't see.
Yes, it is.
Don't blind me, bro.
Just take it out. Go ahead. You can take it out.
Oh, that shit bright.
I love you. You deserve each and everything that is coming to you. Now and forever. You deserve it all. Even this baby we about to have.
Well, baby, you crazy.
But yeah, I just want to let you know how much I love you, and nothing is too much for you. Nothing is too much for you. So I appreciate everything you do for me. You are the best, the most thoughtful boyfriend that I've ever had.
We have to get it.
Huh? So are you ready for it?
I can't even see.
Are you ready for it, babe? Okay. All right, this is your gift.
I'm trying to see what you buy.
Read it, babe.
You got me earpods. Oh. You want some earpods? Where they at? Where they at?
Babe, they was out of it.
So what that mean?
That means it's gonna be shipped to my house.
We have some earpods?
Yes, babe. It's coming on the 8th.
Oh shit. Oh shit, I got some earpods. Oh shit. I got some earpods.
Are you happy, babe?
I was just about to buy these two.
He always buying and looking at stuff that I was already gonna get him, so I'm glad he didn't get these yet. When you start back working out, you can wear them.
Thank you, babe.
You're welcome, baby.
Finally, you got me something that I wanted.
Shut up! I've been listening to him this whole year, and I've been listening. Literally, I've been listening to him this whole year, and he been talking about AirPods for the longest. He been talking about Gucci shoes. He been talking about Versace shoes, and I really wanted to get him the AirPods because I know he really wanted AirPods.
Oh, you got my Epic here in case I lose it?
Yep.
I don't lose extra electric.
I think it's 2 years, I think.
We share that, babe.
You're welcome.
I love it.
You love it. And I know he gonna wear these. I know he gonna wear it because he always wear his headphones to work. I know he gonna use these. So we just wanted to show y'all a little piece of our anniversary, what we're gonna do today. We might end up doing a video when we at lunch or whatever, but we don't know. So we're just gonna end it for right now. We love you. Come in the comment section, wish us a happy anniversary, y'all. Like, show some love to us. You know we love. So yeah, babe, go ahead and end it.
Baby gang, we out. I can't see because you blind me.
Okay, guys, like this video, subscribe to the channel to see more of us and what we do in our life, period, poo. Hit the notification bell to be notified when we post a video. See y'all in the next one. Peace.